Welcome back, little chefs, to the Foodie Writer channel. What are you going to teach us today?
We will be making delicious crepes with fruits and Nutella.
Ooh, that sounds yummy. So, what will you be using for ingredients to make these delicious crepes?
We will be using 1 cup of organic flour, 2 eggs from our friend's backyard's chickens, fruits, any kind you like, powdered sugar, 1 cup milk, pure vanilla extract, Nutella, and granulated sugar.
Are there any special tools needed for this?
Yes, there is a mixer. There's a knife to chop up your fruits that you wanted to add, and this tool to spread the mixture in the pan.
What's step 1?
Step 1 is to grab 2 tablespoons of unsalted organic butter and put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. We have poured 1 cup milk, the melted butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we are going to mix it.
Now we gently poured 1 cup of flour into the mixture and mix. Mix thoroughly so that there isn't any lumps in the mixture. At this stage, you can ask for help from a grown-up and then you can do it. So, we're going to have a thick iron nonstick pan and we're going to melt butter on it. Then we're going to pour the mixture onto it and cook it. We'll spread the melting butter until it's fully melted. The pan is just warm. It's not hot. So you're gonna pour the mixture onto the pan very gently. Then you will spread it with our special tool that we introduced in the. Now you want to loosen the corners very carefully so it doesn't mess up. Try to flip it, but if you don't get it right, just quickly adjust it so that it doesn't break.
We will put the chocolate half onto the crepe. Make sure you don't put too much in one spot or else it won't taste that good. It'll be too sweet.
Okay, so now comes the fun part. It's decorating. So we've got 3 options here. We're not gonna add the blueberries, but if you like, you could. So first we'll start off with the strawberries. You can add as many as you want, but I'm not gonna add that much. Now we're gonna add the bananas. If you need more, you can add more, but it's pretty much optional too.
Now we will fold this onto the other place. And then we will pour the powdered sugar and sprinkle it on top.
I put way too
If you
much.
mess up like that, You can carefully spread it all the way back there. The last step is to pour the whipped cream to add some more taste.
Look at this smiley face.
How do we know it's good? Is it good?
Yeah.
Well,
How do you
let's
know?
taste.
Let's taste it. Take some whipped cream. This is so good. If you want to taste it, make it yourself at home.
If you liked it, don't forget to share the video. See you next time.